Today in Joe's garage, we are going out west snowmobiling to Island Park, Idaho, and I bought a whole bunch of stuff to put on my sled. Thing number one, little flippy doodads that are gonna change my ski stance on the fly, so I don't gotta like take the bolt out and replace that spacer, put it on the other side. Done with that. Now I got little rapid adjust ski stance parts. These are the bump. Then I got scratchers because I don't want to wear it my slides. So I'm going on the trail. And I got this light kit. It's gonna help me see at night, obvi. And last but not least, we have this kit from Sled Racing. It's for my clutch. It allows me to change the weights on the roller arms so I can go out west to a higher elevation, put in a lighter weight, and then when I come back to a lower elevation, I can just switch out these set screws in there and I don't have to bring it into the shop. So the springs stay the same in the primary and secondary. Just by switching these little guys out, you're good to go. Way easier. Saves time and money. That stuff's awesome. All right, enough talk. Let's get to it. Here we go. This looks pretty dumpy. All right, I'm gonna fix that. Hold on. That looks a little better. That still looks trashy. Yeah! That looks better now. We're gonna start with the most complex thing, which is putting the new light kit in. It's gonna sit right in here, and hopefully it'll make riding home on the trail way better at night, because you got like tinted goggles and it gets all dark. And starting with the lights. They don't even print. Oh, you gotta go online. Life hack: if you break off some of these tabs by rolling your sled, it makes removing your windshield way easier. Yeah. Oh, I want to show you guys something. All right. Bet you're wondering what those little bad layers are doing down there, huh? Check those things out. Ready? That's my most expensive add-on. You go till you hear a crack and then you stop. Ah, look at that. Dang! Lights for days. It's gonna be daytime and nighttime. Or whatever, you get it. Locate and detach vehicle accessory connector, console. What are you talking about? Man, there ain't no accessory cable switch connector. No. The other side. Oh. Yep. All right, now we can, let's try it out. All right, well, on to the next thing, which is going to be scratchers. These little babies are gonna mount back here somewhere. And they're gonna literally scratch the ice, and then they shoot, it just like sprays snow everywhere. And it gets into your slides, and then it helps cool your sled, and it's just good all around. So running without these for the past couple years was probably kind of dumb. But we're gonna change that today. Alrighty. Installing ice scratchers 101. Remove this out. Probably spinning something. It does. The heck is that? Pretty sure that's just a Loctite in there. All right, so keep washer, remove Yeah! Wow! All right, installing these little ski stance quick adjust deals. What you're gonna need is a 15mm wrench, a 16mm socket, a 1/4 inch drill bit, these little things, this guy, all these parts. Don't need instructions. And we need to remove the ski. Step 1, remove ski. Oh shoot. Dumped out all my parts for clutch kit. On the outside, drill a hole on both sides. Sounds simple enough. Can't possibly mess that up. Oh shoot! Dang it, it's exactly what I said not to do. I drilled on the backside. Weight reduction, right? Okay, we'll do it on this side now. Idiot. If it seems like I'm rushing, it's because I am. I gotta go fix the trailer that we broke last year before we take it out west again this year. I don't know why we waited till the day before to go on another trip a full year ago. But we waited a full year and now we have to go fix it. So we had like 50-mile-an-hour headwinds last year going out to the same spot, Idaho, and it caved in the front of the trailer and ripped some of the sheet metal. So it was a trailer that we had borrowed. So now we have to fix it and then use it again. I'm surprised they're letting us use it again, actually. All right, so drill a hole, blah, 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 put a bolt through, something, something, something. Can't possibly mess that up. Go! So before, I used to just like put this little plastic piece on one side of the ski to get the ski to go out, and then if I want the ski to be in for out west, so it's more easy to turn and I'll just play, I put it on the outside. But now, I can just pull this clip up, slide it over, slide this over, pull this clip down, boom, done. Here's what's going on. I got that ski done, I'm gonna do the other one, and then we're gonna jump into that clutch right away, so hold on. All right, last thing we're gonna do is change the weights in my ramps here to a lighter weight because we're going up in elevation. Step 1, remove belt. Then you slip this block on and then pry it open, and then this retaining bar on the back, and then it'll snap into place. Now I have access to all my rollers here. So what I have to do is take this bolt out with these brass weights on there, and then take that set screw out inside there and replace it with a smaller set screw. So we are going from this size to this size. So I used this kit last year and it worked awesome. It was way better than I thought it was gonna be. You know, because the original kit that you have to get, you have to replace the spring up here, you have to replace the spring down here, you have all these different ramps you have to put in. And it just doesn't seem like you could just get away with something like this, but you definitely can. The guy's pretty smart. If you're on 5, go with 5 and see what happens. All right, that's one of them. They're all the same, so you get it. And we are ready for some fresh pow. Thanks for watching. We're going out west snowmobile. Don't forget to watch that video. We had one just put out from last year, but we're gonna make 2 more this year. So stay tuned, it's gonna be a wild ride. Dang.
course you have to take the belt off, you dingus.